Guys, welcome back to Crackspate channel. Today I am going to take you through how to install Internet Download Manager Premium. If you find this video useful, please like, comment and most importantly subscribe and turn on the notifications to ensure you get notified about new videos. To get started, please download the zip file from the link provided in the video description. Please note that the password has also been provided. After the download is complete, locate the zip file location. In my case, it is on my desktop. Extract the files using WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR installed on your machine, watch our video tutorial on how to install its crack. In the unzipped folder, click on the IDM installer and install it. Then unzip the patch folder. In the newly formed patch folder, click on the patch and then click on the crack button. And voila, it's done. And in the next video tutorial, I am going to show you how to integrate Internet Download Manager with your browsers. Till next time. Goodbye.